Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your stories in the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Telegram app, and here it opens up in the chat where we have our messages. Then we have to swipe to the right, and at the top under our name we find my stories. We tap on this, and here we have the stories that we posted in the posted section. And then if you tap on archived, we can see the story archive, which means that the stories that we have posted in the past and have been saved here. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.